Okay, so let me try to introduce you more to the discriminant. In the quadratic formula, which is what we talked about before this, we know that we can solve any quadratic equation using this formula here. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And because of this plus or minus right here, we're always going to have two solutions. Well, those solutions are really dependent upon this inside term right here called the discriminant. So the discriminant is just b squared minus 4ac. That means when I start with the quadratic, if I know the a, b, and c values, I can find the discriminant. So let's go ahead and do an example with this. So here we have an example, 6p squared minus 2p minus 3. And the first thing to do with any type of quadratic problem where you're solving is to make sure it's set equal to 0. So notice here, this already set equal to 0. So we're good there. Once set equal to 0, we're going to identify a, b, and c. A is equal to 6, b equal to negative 2, and c is negative 3. To find the discriminant, I'm going to use the formula b squared minus 4ac. So plugging into this formula, b squared is negative 2 squared minus 4 times a is 6 and c is negative 3. Now all I do is I calculate these values. Negative 2 squared is 4 minus. Then I'm going to do just this part next. 4 times 6 times negative 3. And that's equal to 4 times 6 times negative 3. That's negative 72. But then when I write this, I get minus 72. And notice that you have a minus and a minus pushed together. So this is just equal to a 4 plus 72. That equals 76. So the discriminant here is just 76.